Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And this time, another year's gone. Another 12 months of YouTube gone. Boy, 2 years since I first started. And what have we got? 1,250 subscribers at the moment, which I cannot believe. I'm so grateful for everyone who has subscribed and views my repairs, restorations, things like this thing here for next year. And I'd just like to say thank you to everyone out there who's watched my videos and of course subscribed and stayed with me over the past 2 years. Really appreciate it. And the end of the year. So I'd like to wish everyone out there, all my subscribers and hanger-oners and viewers and everyone, a very Merry Christmas. This is Australia, so I celebrate Christmas as on the 25th. And I hope you all have a very happy New Year. Just don't drink and drive. That's not a good thing. So, yeah, you don't want to bugger it up by doing that. So I hope you all have a lovely New Year and all the best for 2025. I've got lots and lots of things in here to go for next year. Lots of interesting stuff, not just radios. There's lots of other stuff. There's a few TVs, not a lot. There's one very special TV, but other stuff, boy, I fix whatever comes in the door. So you never know what's going to go on the bench, but I do like this sort of stuff, the old valve stuff. And I have heaps and heaps and heaps of transistor radios in here dating back to the early 60s. There's actually two of them into the 50s, which we've got to do. So, yeah, lots and lots of work. Okay, well, this will be it for me until after the Christmas break, but you might see another video come up. I'm working on one at the moment, which is probably very interesting. So, yeah, just keep an eye out for that. Okay, all the best, everyone. Merry Christmas. Have a great time. Bye for now.